Katie, I want to add a diffuser to my bathroom, but I don't want to move my diffuser from my living room to my bathroom all the time. Got any suggestions?
Sure do, Shyla.
I knew you'd come through.
We have a DIY Reed Diffuser that I'm going to teach you how to make today.
Okay.
It's perfect for small spaces like your bathroom or even an office cubicle or small office.
And you can decorate it looks like also.
Let's talk about what we need for this recipe. So we need 5 Reed diffusers. This is what's going to carry the essential oil into the air. You're going to need essential oils for your diffuser blend. You'll need a total of 25 drops. We're going to be using our bonus diffuser blend from our recipe box, the Joy Diffuser Blend. And you'll also need either witch hazel, rubbing alcohol, or vodka. This is going to help semi-dilute our essential oils so that they're thin enough to travel up the reed.
Okay.
Out of those 3, vodka actually works best, but witch hazel will work, and rubbing alcohol I find kind of smells like rubbing alcohol for the first bit until that part evaporates, and then it works pretty well.
Perfect.
And you'll also need some distilled water.
Okay.
If you don't have distilled water on hand, you can use tap water, but the recipe won't last as long.
Gotcha.
All right, so let's get started. To start, we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of our witch hazel into our jar. Now that we've added our witch hazel, or maybe vodka or rubbing alcohol, depending on what you're using, we're gonna go ahead and add our essential oils. And for the blend we're using the Joy Diffuser blend. We're gonna multiply it by 5 to get 25 drops. So our subscribers are getting this bonus diffuser recipe for 1 drop energy, 1 drop cypress, 1 drop patchouli, and 2 drops orange. But we want about 25 drops, so we're just gonna multiply it all by 5, so that'll be 5 drops of each and 10 drops of orange.
Good.
Cool. All right, then swirl that together so that it mixes. So you can see it's partially diluted, but not totally. You'll still have oil droplets on the top. And then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of water. You can add more than that if you'd like, but yeah, 2 tablespoons will be enough to get your essential oil blend to go through the reeds. So now that I have my special funnel, that would have been bad if I didn't have that. Okay.
Yeah, that went everywhere.
2 tablespoons of distilled water. So now we're gonna give that a swirl. And this is quite a pretty tall jar. So if you wanted, you could add more water to it, like I mentioned, to make it look more full, but this is enough for what we want to do right now. So we're gonna just add the reeds to here. We're gonna let them soak for a couple hours. Once they've soaked, we're gonna flip them over.
Okay.
And that's gonna help diffuse the aroma into the air.
Sweet. So how often do you have to flip them?
I keep one of these in my bathroom, and what I like to do is flip it every time I go in there.
Okay.
That
Yeah,
just
makes
helps
sense.
keep the room fresh. But you can just flip it as needed. And so over time this will all evaporate. You can refill it as you want to.
Okay. Hi, I'm Shyla.
And I'm Katie. We're certified aromatherapists for Simply Earth, and we love teaching people how to use essential oils to make their homes toxin-free.
Don't forget to go onto our website and check out our blog. We have a ton of fun recipes, and you can check everything out at simplyearth.com.
Thanks for watching.
See you later.